to make a modified Duncan wheels yo-yo with a Magic Yo-Yo K1, the old style K1 yo-yo. You need to like sand it all out so it's nice and smooth. Obviously you need a Duncan wheels yo-yo. And that knife didn't work. Got the scissors. Yes. Okay, now these are too thick. They're too thick, so they need to be sanded down. If you don't sand it down, it's going to be vibe all over the place. Okay, after you've sanded them down, moment of truth, because you want them to be like pretty flush, otherwise it will vibe crazy. Okay, we will test it out, demo it, let you know, but it's always going to perform better than the Duncan wheels as we got it out of the box. We couldn't get that working really very well, even with a ball bearing, because of the pads that didn't have pads. It's got that starburst braking, terrible. So this would be a big improvement. We'd be able to actually rock a Duncan wheels yo-yo from my childhood, so a very special place in my heart.